when they are, trying to get into gear to go work out, because I realize not everyone wants to do that, or to study, or to have a hard conversations, whatever it is. And what do? They start engaging in activities that we, and indeed they, would not consider pleasureful activities. They start, for instance, cleaning the house. So seemingly out of nowhere, they start engaging in these activities that normally are not intrinsically pleasurable for them. They're not highly motivated to do them, as a replacement for doing the very thing that they quote unquote need to do or ought to do, and that they're procrastinating to do. What they're essentially doing here is a mild type of addiction replacement. In other words, rather than be in the painful state and wait for it to pass, they're doing things that give them some sense of accomplishment, ostensibly to give them the sense that they're completing things. And perhaps, and I don't know because I'm not in the psychology of knowing what other people are thinking, perhaps in order to generate the momentum, in order to get engaged enough or motivated enough to study or work out or whatever activity it is that they're trying to avoid through procrastination. Now, what's interesting about this dynamic is, first of all, it's extremely common. And second of all, a lot of people will use this as a tactic so that they get very close to the deadline to complete something, and then they go into a sort of pseudo panic and then use anxiety as a way to leverage their mental and physical resources to complete that thing.